Saramonic Blink 500 ProX B2R review. This tiny mic system records like a beast. You hit record, and pray the mic doesn't betray you again. Sound familiar? Whether you're a content creator, podcaster, vlogger, or filmmaker, you're probably stuck in the same loop. Fussy gear, random dropouts, background noise louder than your voice, and lost audio that ruins your only good take. Your energy's drained from second-guessing your gear more than focusing on your story. Every project starts with hope and ends in frustration, fighting tech that's supposed to help but instead blocks your flow. You're not asking for the moon, just a wireless mic setup that's reliable, sharp, and stupidly easy to use. Now crank up that pressure. You're on a deadline, trying to film in a noisy space or running live audio for clients, and boom! Audio drop. Or worse, the battery dies mid-session. You dig through footage only to realize the mic was off the whole time. That one-shot interview? Toast. The energy you poured into setup, talent, lighting, it's gone. That creeping fear of did it even record becomes your co-pilot. And backup? Your current gear doesn't even know what that means. You're not just wasting time, you're missing opportunities, killing momentum, and burning out undergear that wasn't made for the chaos of real-life content. It's time to level up. The Saramonic Blink 500 ProX B2R is the wireless audio system that actually gets it. Dual-person mic coverage? Check. Built-in 8GB onboard recording per transmitter? Heck yes. That's up to 14.8 hours of crystal clear, lossless backup audio without even needing a camera. It's smart, slick, and stupidly simple. With OLED displays, real-time headphone monitoring, and customizable gain, this rig practically runs itself. The clip-on transmitters are featherlight, lavs are pro-grade, and the system includes a powerful 3000 mAh charging case that gives you 35 hours of runtime. It's not just gear, it's your new audio insurance policy. With the Blink 500 ProX B2R, you're not babysitting your mic, you're creating magic. It works with everything. DSLRs, smartphones, laptops, mixers, you name it. Dual-channel receiver, mono and stereo switch, and 328 feet range? You're covered from studio to sidewalk. The transmitters double as standalone recorders, so even if your signal drops, your audio doesn't. It's like having a personal audio assistant who doesn't eat, sleep, or complain. This isn't another content creator tool. This is the mic system that respects your hustle. Dive deeper, hear for yourself, and start creating without compromise. Because clean audio should be the default, not the dream. You've seen what it can do. And spoiler alert! So has everyone else. The Blink 500 ProX B2R is already making waves with YouTubers, filmmakers, and streamers worldwide, because it actually delivers. No more retakes, no more guessing, no more praying to the tech gods. Just broadcast quality audio, every single time. Supplies are moving fast, because and if you wait too long, you're stuck refreshing product pages while others are out recording gold. So don't just watch. Act. Upgrade to the mic setup that finally has your back. Hit that link. Lock it in. Your sound deserves a win. Go get it.